In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams with your Gmail account. If you've been wondering how to bridge the gap between these two essential tools, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you can efficiently integrate Microsoft Teams into your work routine with your Gmail credentials. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams. You have a couple of options to do this. You can visit teams.microsoft.com directly in your web browser, which is a great choice if you prefer to work directly online. Alternatively, you can opt to launch the Microsoft Teams desktop app if you have it installed on your computer. If you're on the go, using the mobile app is equally effective. Whichever method you choose, make sure you're comfortable and ready to dive into Teams. Once you have Microsoft Teams up and running, the next step is to sign in. On the landing page, look for the sign in option and click on it. Here's where your Gmail address comes into play. Enter your Gmail address in the provided field. For example, if your email is your name@gmail.com, input it there. This step is crucial as it sets the path for integrating your Gmail into the Microsoft ecosystem. After entering your email, click on Next to move forward. The third step involves using a free Microsoft account tied to your Gmail. If you've previously linked your Gmail to a Microsoft account, you'll simply need to enter your password and proceed to sign in. However, if you haven't yet created a Microsoft account linked with your Gmail, Microsoft Teams will guide you to set one up. Don't worry, this is a fairly straightforward process. You'll see a prompt to create an account. Click on Create Account to begin this setup. The process will then lead you through entering a new password and verifying your Gmail address. Make sure you follow each of these instructions carefully. Verification is essential to ensure your account is secure and properly linked. Setting a strong and memorable password will help keep your account safe. Once you've completed these steps and created your account, you should be able to sign in to Microsoft Teams seamlessly using your Gmail address. And there you have it. You are now ready to use Microsoft Teams with your Gmail account. This integration allows you to enjoy the collaboration features of Teams right alongside your existing Gmail community.